Hi everyone. So in the continuing series of active campaign tutorials, this video will be about forms. What are forms, how you can create a form, and how you can embed the form in your Panther platform, right? So answering the very first questions, forms are the doors to your contact database. Contact enter your database by submitting information to a form, and without form your database would be closed off to potential contacts, right? So the very next thing would be how you can create a form and what are the things which are required before creating a form. So as I told you in my last video, before creating a form, you have to make sure that you have done basic setups like putting in your API keys in your Panther platform and creating a respective list for the form, right? So as you can see, I have already created a list which is going to be connected to a form. So I have created a list called customers, right? And I have put in my keys by going to settings and then developers. Here you can get your API keys and your URL, and you have to put it in the Panther dashboard, right? So let's move ahead with creating the form. So you have to go to site. After clicking on site, you have to select forms here. You have to select create a form. Now in this section of form you have four options. So floating bar, floating box and modal type of forms are only available with paid plan. So we are on trial active campaign plan, so we can only use inline form, right? So I'm gonna use inline form and I'm gonna name it as test. Then I have to configure the action which is subscribed to a list and which list it's going to be get subscribed. So I am gonna click on customers and then click on create. In the next tab you will have option to edit your form accordingly, and you also going to have an option to integrate the form. So in this tab you can see that's how your sample form will look like. This all is editable. You can edit the text type, style, everything from here, from these different options, right? So for the demo purposes we are going with this style only. So we are going to click on integrate. After clicking on integrate you will get this simple embed and full embed option. So for our platform we are going to go with simple embed. Simply going to click this code, going to come back to our platform, then we have to visit design and then logo and color, and in the custom script section we have to paste this uh, script, right, and click on save settings. After clicking on save settings, if you just go to your home page you will see that there is a form which is being created by active campaign and it is on the top of in the top of your marketplace. So as I said that in the trial campaign we can only use inline form. This is totally customizable. If you have basic knowledge of CSS or HTML you can change the positioning of this form, but if you do not want to do that you can select different type of forms in a paid plan, which includes a pop-up form and a model form, right? So for demo purposes this is the form which we are going to use and I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So basically when your prospect contact will visit your website, he will have he will be shown this form, right, and he have to fill in his name and he have to fill his email. So let's say this is my email. I'm gonna click on submit, and after clicking on submit the message will be thanks for signing up. Now when you come back to your active campaign account and you go back to the contacts tab in active campaign, here you will see that the contact is being put in. So this is the contact which I have put in, Sumit Mishra, and my email, and this is the list which this contact has been put in, right? the customers list. So that is all about form. In next tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can use the list to automate an automation and better engage your user base, right? So that's all about it. I will catch you in the next one.